Toyota oil change. What do you need? Basic hand tools, special socket, that's the only thing that will be special, and whatever brand you choose of oil filter. Okay, what are you going to need for your oil change? Is a 14mm socket and a ratchet. This will be to remove the oil drain plug. Okay, once you have removed the oil drain plug, you're gonna need a 3/8 extension. Doesn't matter. You're gonna go ahead and need a socket to remove the oil filter housing. I'll put a link under the description below where you can find one of these, but you can find them at your local auto parts stores. Then also you're gonna need a 24mm socket, 3/8, ½ inch, doesn't matter. Okay, so once you have removed the housing from the car, we're gonna have to remove an O-ring that is right here. You can use any type of screwdriver or anything just to pry down a little bit on it. Twist it around. There we go. Comes off. Let's get rid of it. So from your oil kit, from the filter, you should have a big O-ring and a small O-ring. Of course, you see the difference? The O-ring, when you're just gonna replace it where you took the other one off. So this is the way I do it. Put one right here, put one part of the O-ring on the groove, hold it with my finger, and I'll just drive it around. My other hand. Just make sure it sits properly all around the groove. Just grab some of the oil and lube it up a little bit. Now the top part, now what this tool does is that it pushes down on this spring right here, and that's why it lets drain most of the fluid from the filter housing, so you don't make a mess. That's mostly the purpose of this. Now depending on the kit you get, this one right here will usually, when you push it in, at the same time it will grab onto the O-ring that sits right here, and once you pull it out, it will come out along with the O-ring. This one, it only screws in, pushing the little spring or right there just to drain it, and then you have to make sure you remove it. So to put it back in there, just put it face down. Grab the O-ring. Just grab some of the new filter or filter from the housing itself. Doesn't matter. It's always best to use brand new fluid, but make sure it sits on the groove right there. Grab again the cap. Screw it in. Use your 3/8 to drive it in. And once it's in the car, you tighten it. But right now we're gonna do just hand tight. There we go. So now this one's in there. We're gonna grab the oil filter insert. Just put it in here. And that's it. We're just gonna do the reverse process of installing it. Alright, this is the last step. We're gonna install the oil filter. Make sure it's in there. Make sure you have placed the O-ring properly. Make sure you have placed the oil ring in here and the cap. Gonna turn it by hand. Once you have turned it by hand, it feels some resistance. Use the tool. Okay, so you put your tool back in there, 24 millimeter. Just like a normal oil filter, don't over tight this one. It will not go anywhere. You will break it and it will be more expensive to replace the whole housing. So once it has reached to a stop, just give it a small yank. Now, since I'm a professional, I'm gonna torque it down to 24 Newton meters. It's pretty much, you'll see the difference right now. I'm gonna loosen it again. So this is my torque wrench. I put it to 24 Newton meters. There's where there's the dead end right there where it stops. There it is. See? So don't over tighten it. So once you're done tightening it, remove your cap. I mean your socket. Use the 3/8 extension. Just tighten the cap too. Not too much. Same thing. That's it. Hand tight almost. Just a little one. And that's how you do it. Just don't forget to add the oil. It takes about 4.5 quarts. Check the level. You're good to go with the cap.